Shortcut keyboard. Before we go to sample or case study, it is also recommended that we know the shortcut keyboard to make you faster in Excel processing. Let's begin with Save. You can press Ctrl plus S. Copy, Ctrl plus C. Cut, Ctrl plus X. Paste, Ctrl plus V. Cell format, Ctrl plus 1. Bold font, Ctrl plus B. Underline, Ctrl plus U. Find and replace, Ctrl plus F. Drag all object, Ctrl plus A. Undo, Ctrl plus Z. Redo, Ctrl plus Y. Lock the data in a cell, echo or symbol of dollars. Modifying Excel Worksheet. Insert, rename, hide worksheet, unhide worksheet, delete. Let's start with sample how to insert worksheet. Just click the right mouse and select Insert and click Excel Worksheet. In this part, I give the worksheet with simple 0. If you want to delete worksheet, just simply click Delete. What about if you want to hide a worksheet? Yes, you just click Hide and see the worksheet is hid. To unhide, just click the Unhide and the worksheet will appear again. If you want to copy the worksheet, just click the Copy or Move. Select either New Workbook or Additional Worksheet to put the result. In this case, I select as New Worksheet in the same workbook. And the result is shown on the left side. And I move it to the right side. Protect partially the worksheet. In this example, I have a simple database of Transporter Ltd. So this is dummy data. I want to log only several columns. There are salary and productivity. The rest columns are editable. So, how to protect partially cells in a worksheet? I select Allow users to edit range until new window will appear. I give sample the title as editable data and define the area from B4 until age 27. And fill a password string. Let's say the password is 123. Re-enter the password 123. So here is the specific area has been set up with a password ring to edit. The last one is set up protecting the whole worksheet. First, I click Checklist Protect the worksheet. And second, you may set your preference to open editable feature, and in this case, I select as shown. Set the password and the same value when re-enter the password. Let's see the results. From cell B4 until age 27, you can change the value after entering the password range 123. But from column I4 until G19, you cannot change any value because the barrier of worksheet password. Protect all worksheet. It is really simple to protect all the cells in a worksheet. In the View menu, we click icon Protect Sheets and select which features that allow user to edit. You can see the example in this video by selection to allow users to edit. We set insert column and insert row are allowed. Set your password to protect sheet. Re-enter sheet. Yes, it is done. You can test. For instance, insert row and insert column as shown in this video. Share the workbook. To share the workbook to other your team, simply click the icon Share Workbook in the Review menu. Select or tick the options to share and click OK to confirm the change. The Excel file will have additional name shared. It means this file is shared with others. Protect the workbook.
To protect the workbook and encrypt the Excel file, you may go to File menu and click Info. Then you can click the little arrow and select the Encrypt with Password. Please fill password 123 as an example, then click OK. We enter the same password. Let's see the result. If you close the file and open again, the file will ask you to fill the password to open the workbook.
Freeze Pane. Freeze Pane is useful to make you easy when displaying white table and lock specific row or column so they cannot scroll when your cursor moving. Let's take example. In View menu, click the Freeze Panes. We have three categories: Freeze Panes with specific cells, Freeze Pane at the top row, Freeze Pane at the first row. In this sample, we will set name and email will not scroll or lock cells. While the top side fields are set to be displayed at all time, so we put cell in E5 as target to lock. The select Freeze Panes. See the result. The top side fields are shown and the left side fields are only name and email which cannot move. To unfreeze, just select the same menu and select Unfreeze Panes. We can also set only top side field that is locked, while other rows are scrolling when cursor move. Just select the cursor and highlight in row 5 and click Freeze Panes. You can see the result. Only top side files that lock and cannot be scrolled. The same way if we want to lock specific column, put and highlight the cursor in column D. Select Freeze Panes and see the result. Only column name that lock and cannot be scrolled. The others Freeze Pane at the top row and Freeze Pane at the first row. They are only lock the first column and the first row.